Hi and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. If you are new and you like makeup, beauty, hair or hauls, then please consider subscribing. So today I'm going to be reviewing a palette that's been around for quite a while now. I bought these when they first came out. Well, I bought two of them. Today I'm going to be reviewing the XX, the Fallen Angel palette from the FLEXX collection. So xxrevolution released, I think there was about 6 or possibly 8 little palettes like this, and they all had different colour themes to them. I picked up this one, which is the blue themed one, and also the pink one, which I believe is called Sugar Baby, which I'm going to actually review in a couple of days' time. But yeah, I think these are really nice. I love the formula of xxrevolution shadows. I've always got on really well with them. So yeah, I can't believe I haven't reviewed it yet, to be honest. I was going through my drawers and I found a load of eyeshadow palettes that I haven't even touched. So I thought I would chuck them into this month, with it being Vlogmas. And yeah, we'll review them all. So the outer packaging of the palette looks like this. So we've got this kind of crocodile themed look about it, obviously blue. And then the actual palette itself looks like this. So it's kind of like a leatherette or faux leather crocodile again with xxrevolution. Yeah, you can see that just embossed on the front just there as well. And then we open it up and we're presented with this lovely little colour story just here. So it's obviously very blue, very frosty looking, which I thought would be quite nice with Christmas coming up. I thought it'd be quite a Christmassy sort of frosty, frozen sort of look. So I'll give these a quick swatch and then we'll get stuck straight into reviewing the palette. So here are the swatches from the palette. They're very pretty, very pretty. These two, I will say, look very, very similar when you swatch them. So yeah, I think one on the palette looks more kind of silver and one looks more white, but when you swatch them they are very, very similar. But yeah, so the two mattes are these two just here. Okay, so the first shade that I'm going to go into is this kind of really grey white almost shade just here, and I'm going to use that as a transition shade. So I'm going to pop that in my crease and just above as well. I'm not expecting big things from this colour because it is so pale. I think it's just going to work as, you know, just kind of setting down my primer and just working to make the blue shade probably blend a bit better. So that's the shade on. So not a massive difference really, but you know, it's there. So the next thing I'm going to do is take this really pretty blue and I'm going to put that on the outer part of my lid here, and I'm just going to work that into my crease a bit just there as well. Such a pretty blue. It's really, really nice. I did tap off quite a lot last time, but I'm going to, yeah, not too much fallout. So I'm just going to go in again. Yeah, it does remind me of like Disney Frozen, those sorts of shades, but very, very pretty. A nice pigment to that one as well. That is such a pretty blue. It's really, really nice. So the next thing I'm going to do is actually take two shimmers. I'm going to take the darkest blue and also the paler blue. I'm going to use the paler blue on the inner part just here, and then I'm going to take the darker one and I'm going to use that where it connects to the matte blue shade just here. So just starting with the lighter blue first. I've no doubt at all that this is going to work much better with my finger. So I'm going to apply it with both the brush and my finger as well, because it's one of those kind of slightly creamy formulas. I just want to get it where I want it first. Quite a bit of fallout off that one though, but that's fine, I can clean that up. So the next thing I'm going to do is take the darker blue in the corner just here, and I'm going to use that to connect that light colour to this slightly darker blue just here. I'm just going to go straight in with my finger on this one. That works reasonably well, although I have lost some of the matte blue here, so I'm just going to work that back in again. Okay, and then I'm going to take the blue again, so the matte blue just here, and I'm just going to run that underneath my lower lash line as well. And then I think I'll take the kind of whitish shade just here and pop a little bit of that on my inner corners. Okay, right, so I'm just going to pop some mascara on and some lippy, and I will be back. Okay, so here is the finished look, and yeah, I really like this. I think it's really pretty. It's a lovely kind of winter look, winter icy blues. Yeah, really nice. And yeah, I did like the palette as well. The shimmers in particular I did like. The only thing I will say is the matte blue shade that I used, the darker one, if I'm being honest, when I first put it on, I thought, yeah, this is really nice. It seemed to blend into the other colour that I used really nicely. But on the outer corner, it just went a bit patchy. I think with some blues, with those sorts of shades, like those mid to dark blues, they can be quite patchy. So it is one of those things in a lot of cases. But yeah, that is the only thing that I will say, is that that blue on the outer corner there just went a little bit patchy. But apart from that, everything else I really liked about the palette. So as always, all products used in today's video I will link in the description box below for you, along with any discount codes or anything like that. Other than that, I hope you enjoyed watching, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up, and I'd really appreciate it. It'd mean the absolute world to me if you did enjoy watching this video and you would like to see more content from me in the future, and you would like to subscribe to my channel. Until then, thanks for watching. Bye!
I'm thinking you were made for me. Isn't it my birthday yet? Cause I gotta say, you're looking like a gift for me, wrapped up nice and neat, baby.